I'm excited for this one. You know why? You don't know why, but I'm real excited for this one. Back behind me. We were doing this in the other HQ. I know we have many HQs. It gets confusing. I don't even know where this place is. We just drive straight. It's really weird. I'm looking in front of me. You might be able to see through my lenses, through the shades, through the reflection, if you're tactical. You see it? No? I'm looking at one of the few, one of the proud. A weird caliper. A handgun. I just selected it. You probably saw the title. You definitely saw the title. If you clicked, it's probably why you're here. You're intrigued. You're interested. You want to see. I tasted it, smelled it, saw it, shot it. And then bought it. This is not the one I shot. This is not the one I tasted, smelled, whatever. Actually, I didn't taste it. I probably have some sort of lead poisoning. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna flip you right over. We got this Ruger 5.7. You see that? Don't mind anything else. Ruger 5.7. FN. We're not gonna talk about the 5.7 a lot, but you can't really make a video. We're an unboxing. This is an unboxing. We're out at the pit. I don't have ammo on me. We're not shooting. Subscribe for my honesty and transparency. It's just so you see these videos more advantageously too. I'm not gonna push it on you ever. But the FN 5.7. I think what, almost 30 years? Is it 30 years now? Ruger's knocking on your door, boys. Lower that price. They are. I've seen the 5.7 get down to $940. This thing, I think MSRP's at what, $799? Guess what, boys? We got her. Ah, we got her at $670 plus tax, plus my NICS check. What's that? National Instant Criminal Security check? Something like that? I don't fucking know. Look at that, I'm dropping stuff. I'm nervous. Ruger cable lock. I love these. Like I said before, it's just cool. It's like collecting Pokemon cards. Y'all know what that is. Goes without saying. Ooh, got my papers in there. Instruction manual. Ruger 5.7 pistol. Thank you for purchasing your Ruger firearm. This is everything you get with it. 20% off! We're gonna have to talk. I need a bigger discount than that. New owner. Oh, I guess I gotta, yeah, cool. Register my gun and all that stuff. I know you're not here for that, okay? So we're just gonna cut past all the bullshit. The mag. Look at that mag. Look at that. The little Ruger insignia. 5.7 by 28. This one's pinned. 10 rounds. Yeah, go ahead. No, California. We're not in California. Joke's on you. Woo. Okay, so before getting into this real quick, the other videos, it kind of irked me that like I did an unboxing after I did an actual unboxing. So, I did not open this one yet. This gun might have imperfections. There might be something wrong with it. I don't know. I'll probably have coronavirus. Look at that. Smells like lead. I think it's been shot. This is brand new. I got it for $670 plus tax. I got a bunch of ammo with it too. That I got right now. If you're just fucking curious, 5.7. We're a bunch of weird hipsters, I guess. But we're looking at. I think I got 100 rounds for $50 plus tax. So we're looking at. I don't know. I can't math right now. I'm in shock because of this. I need to put this camera down. Much better. Much better. Okay. First, let's make sure that she's clear. Can't rack it back with the safety on. We learned that. Clear. Mag, damn, they didn't give me extra ammo. Second mag comes with 2 mags. It comes with 2 mags. Look at that fiber-optic sight. That's clear as day. You can see it in the camera too. This is weird trying to line up sights for the camera. Okay. Yeah. Ooh, she's a beauty. Oh, ho, ho. Oh. Wow. So, similar to the one that I shot. Very interesting gun. It's got the sight plate and stuff. It's got the knurling right there in the side. Also, you have this here. Very large gun. My only one issue, and we already have a fix coming for this. My only issue is the mag release. When I go to touch it, you might not be able to see it in the video actually. Yeah, yep. My little thumb. I guess my hands are too small for this. My thumb just, everything else is good. Everything else is good. Safety's good. That's good. We're good. Trigger's good. People really hate on this trigger. It's not that bad. I mean, it's not like the trigger you get out of the box from like a Canic, but it's not terrible. Not terrible. I mean, there's a lot of travel. It's not a heavy brake, not a light brake. Fiber optic in the front. It'd be cool if we got maybe a fiber optic in the front. It'd be cool if we got some sort of night sight in the back. I definitely want to get some night sights just on this in general. The sights kind of loose back here, but the ones that I've shot seem pretty accurate. I haven't even shot this. I'm going to make a separate video where I am shooting this. Rack it back without the magazine in. She doesn't get stuck up, but put the mag in, rack it back. She's locked and cocked. Now you can pull this down, you just gotta pull it down hard. And boom, you're good. A lot of people I've noticed have been saying that you have to rack it all the way back, and then pull it down. Oh, that makes it easier, but no dude, just pull it down hard. Yeah. Now to pop this out, people are saying use the bullet. Yeah, you could use a bullet. Or you can just get the flat side of your mag, push this in, because if you use the bullet, you're going to push it out too far. Just push it in like that. This is going to turn around. Pull the slide back a little. Drop her down. She comes off. Boom. Yeah, don't fuck with it too much. Put it right back on. Pull her back a little. That's the way you can hop it back on, and then just make sure she's in. Now once you get that click, she's pressed all the way in. Again, you can just get the mag, use the long side of the mag right there, right at the end, see, and just tap it in. And it's kind of easy when you're new to this to pop that back, because all you do is press this in. All you do is press that back in, and then it's, you know, it's there. But once you hear the clicks, you know you're good to go. So that's all off. To go back on, just make sure you're lined up. It only tucks in here and then slides on. Oop. Like so. And you can, what I like doing is just grabbing like that and popping it back on, because when you go to pull back, like this is easy tension, very simple tension for me, but holding it back like that, it's probably neither here nor there, just whatever your preference is. I've noticed I've had more difficulties doing it that way than just grabbing the front and pulling back. There we go. Ambi safety, obviously. Ambi safety, a little weird doing it with this hand. Cool stuff though. We'll fire with magazine, and let's just give you a little close up here what she says. There we go. Yeah, pistol will fire with magazine removed. Read instruction manual before using firearm. Ruger, Prescott, Arizona, 57x28. You got a little serial number. And that's really it, guys. I'm hype. I can't wait to start shooting this. We're gonna have to get some more just straight up shooting videos, not so much unboxing and talking videos. But bear with me here. I'm busy filming everything for the other channel. Just subscribe down below. Once we hit a certain amount of subscribers, I'm going to absolutely start putting more effort into this because this shit's fun. This shit's very fun. I like this stuff and makes a good tax write-off. So, with that being said, I am going to leave you guys off here. We got the Ruger, we got everything. We put it back in the box, we've unboxed her, and now I can feel good about doing anything with it and de-virginizing it because now we do the unboxing. I wanted to do the unboxing. And yeah, and keep all this stuff, all the original stuff with it. Put the paper, actually, we can take this out and put the paper in there. Yeah, I'm gonna fold that up nicely. But with that said, I hope you guys enjoy the Ruger content that is to come. Very, very excited for this thing. I can't wait to get out into the pit and start shooting this. Look at that. That night sight. Not night sight, fiber optic. I'm used to my CZ having a night sight. The fiber optic is cool though. This is the only time I'll ever have a gun pointed toward you. Just so you can see. Yeah, catch you later. Have fun. This thing's sweet. If you want one, I would, yeah, just get it. Get it now. Hard to find. Funny story, actually. I was in the gun store picking up ammo, doing some other stuff for Father's Day. I just got my permit that day, my handgun purchaser permit, and I just asked them, like, how many of those Ruger 5.7s have you guys gotten? And they're like, we got one right here. One. They pulled it out and saw the box, and I was like, don't even, is it new? Like, yeah. I'm like, cool. Don't even show it to me. Like, you could show it to me, but don't even show it to me. I want it. And worked a deal on it, got some ammo at a deal on it, and here we are. With that being said, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you found this somewhat different from the other millions of Ruger 5.7 videos that I've seen. A lot of them suck. This one sucks too, but I'm just trying to show you a little bit different stuff, close-ups, whatnot. I don't know. The next video is probably going to, I'm talking with a company and we're gonna have some cool stuff, but that is for that video. Let's see when it gets here. Excited. It's gonna fix the one issue I have with this gun. Have a good one.